At Campbell Mechanical Services, we keep commercial buildings and systems running efficiently. Watch this video for information on optimizing your HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical systems.
Hi Joe. I notice you always approach our solutions from a financial angle. Why do you say this primarily is a financial sale?
Zach, that's a great question. You know, while we're in the mechanical business, what we're really selling is a financial partnership. We literally bet on ourselves by taking on the risk of equipment performance.
What do you mean by taking on the risk?
Well, unlike traditional contractors who profit from equipment failures, we actually assume all the financial risk through our fixed cost program. If something breaks down, we pay for it, not the customer.
So our interests are completely aligned with our customers?
Exactly. Think about it like this. HVAC and mechanical systems typically represent 40 to 60% of the building's energy costs. By taking on the risk ourselves, we're financially motivated to keep that equipment running efficiently for as long as possible.
And that's the different from our competitors?
Completely different. Most contractors make their biggest profits from emergency repairs and replacements. When equipment lasts longer and runs better, both we and our customers win.
That's great.
I would agree. We're talking about real financial partnerships. ROIs, operational costs, risk management, yes, but most importantly, we're showing them how our success is tied directly to their success. We don't just maintain equipment, we guarantee its performance.
That explains why some companies focus on lower upfront costs.
Right, because they're hoping for those profitable breakdowns later. We might cost more initially, but we're investing in preventing problems rather than profiting from them. That's why we have clients who have been with us for over 30 years. To discover how Campbell Mechanical Services can become your trusted building systems partner, reach out to your Campbell Solutions provider. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next Coffee with Campbell.
Whether it's a quick question or a challenge you need help solving, give your Campbell rep a call today.